All right, good afternoon, guys, or west in evening, I don't know. Please, those behind, can you come forward? Sister, just come forward. We're not doing the training now, so I think so that this thing is not as smart as it should be, so that we can see all right? Okay. So can you guys see anything on the projector? Hello? Can you guys identify any write-up on the board? Aside the GIS, read this for me. Just this red line, read it for me. Alright, that's to say the projector is not really doing well, plus this is not pure its material, but we'll manage it. Okay, before I start this presentation, I'm going to show you a code, and then you will tell me who said it. Then that will give me an understanding that you know what we're doing, right? It's a very, very simple code. So just look at the board and tell me who said this. Never, never, never give up. Who says this? Never, never, never give up. They no go past. No go reach. So you guys have no idea. This was said by Winston Churchill. Why I brought this code is just because to start something is very easy. Everybody wants to start something, but not everybody wants to finish something. It's very easy to pay a token to learn something, but it's very hard. It takes discipline to actually finish something. So please, I'm imploring you to not give up as far as you are alive. Just the way you are pushing your academics, push for skills. It will do you good. All right, so basically this is the little about me. My name is Rima Shamaki Zaka. I have an ND in surveying and geoinformatics. I went through ABU, I have a BSc geomatics, and currently I'm enrolled in a master's program in geomatics. So, why I am putting this is not to tell you I have anything, but ideally, I'm just trying to encourage you that while you are pursuing a degree, you should also pursue skills. I have mastered ArcGIS Desktop, ArcGIS Pro, QGIS, ERDAS Imaging, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Photoshop, and others that I don't want to put them here now. So, over my training in this school, I've been able to accumulate these skills. And these are just technical skills, because anybody can start learning anything at any time and do well in them. But what distinguishes you from another person is how you'll be able to come up with those your technical skills and turn them into a soft skills. What can you use your skills to do? I'm a critical thinker. That's a soft skills. I have the ability to solve problems. Is a soft skills. I can communicate, make new friends. Those are all soft skills. You generate those ones over long periods of time. So it's not enough to have technical skills like this one that we've come to learn, GIS, AutoCAD, and the rest. Converting your technical skills into a soft skills will do more good. If you go to country like United States now, technical skill is no longer as valued as we still value it in Nigeria. Why? They've moved past that. What can you use your skill to do? That's what they are looking for. So I'm imploring you to move past this step you've started and develop into a soft skills. All right, last year I was nominated for FOIA. I don't know who knows FOIA. Founder of the Year is an African award. I was nominated for over 30 and I reached the finalist. The award is supposed to be given this year, but I don't know if I win. But this is the certificate they sent to me all the way from Kenya. All right, so I just wanted to show some few things I have done. Sorry. All right, sorry. This is an administrative map of Taraba State. By the other end is a geopolitical map of Taraba State. This was produced by me during my IT. Yes, it's been approved by the governor of Taraba State as we speak. So what I'm trying to say is, if you take these skills serious, some of you that are yet to go on IT, some of you that are about to graduate, you will have opportunities. Various ministries have opportunities, but just that they will not tell you because they believe you don't have what it takes. The ministry I served for my IT is a kind of ministry that IT students come in every day and don't have anything for 6 months. But I worked for more than 6 months, more than the people who are being paid in that place. I was paid, not that I was paid, but I would be in the office till 9 p.m. every day to make sure I come up with this. While others believe that there was no work. So you can do better than that. And this is a hill map of Taraba State as well. And that one is land use, land cover of Lagos State, just a part of Lagos State. I'm just trying to show you some of the things I have done, not to brag, like I said, but just to give you a form of encouragement. This is a master's thesis for someone in Futmina. I did this last year. And this was the end result. Because what this person wanted to do was, he wanted to do a suitability site analysis. Which site is suitable for a specific kind of building, a kind of land use to be precise. He wanted to know which site was better to site a hospital. So we use this form of factors to come up with this result. So where those green areas, I know you can't see well, but these green areas were more suitable site for dumping refuge for this very work. And finally, for what I wanted to show, this is my undergraduate work. This is a noise pollution map of Ahmadu Bello University. This was generated over 1 month. I did an observation. Hey, Afana. Am I boring you guys? All right, so I did an observation over 30 days in Ahmadu Bello University, ranging from all the hostels to the lecture, to faculties. I just consider faculties, and then to waterworks, dam, and I took observation over 43 points for 1 month to generate this. I have a total of 24 maps, but this is the final result for morning, afternoon, and evening, just to give you an overview. So to what we are to do, for this course, it's just a weekend program. So we'll be looking at 6 sections out of GIS. We're going to be looking at the basics of ArcGIS Desktop, because GIS is divided into ArcGIS Pro and ArcGIS Desktop. So to begin with, it's best you start with ArcGIS Desktop because it's more user-friendly. the ArcGIS Pro do more with programming. Alright, so we're going to start with ArcGIS basics, then we'll move to creation of geodatabase and shapefiles. Then ArcCatalog is a package in ArcGIS Desktop because they have like 4 packages: ArcGIS Desktop, ArcMap, ArcCatalog, ArcScene, and ArcGlobe. So this will just be taking ArcCatalog because ArcCatalog and ArcMap do hand in hand for 2D kind of designs. So we are not going to be considering 3D in this training. And then we're going to georeference image. Like the other speaker said before, he talked about projection. Now, projection in geomatics, it's a bit different from, but it has the same principle. The projection in geomatics deal with land. For example, Nigeria is divided into 3 zones. We have zone 31, 32, and 33. So, if you have a work that is covering, 2 minutes. Right. If you have a work that is exceeding 1 geopolitical zone, let's say your work is Kaduna now is zone 32, Lagos is zone 31. Now, if you have a work that involves Lagos, so you have to convert from zone 31, or you convert from WGS to GCS, Geographic Coordinate System, to Projected Coordinate System. So you're moving it from one coordinate to another on the same surface, which is the same thing as he said in terms of drawing. But this time around, you're moving from one fixed zone to another zone. Alright, so we're going to be doing georeference. That's what we'll look at all of those projections and the rest. Then we'll be digitizing. Digitizing is just more like you have a hard copy map, whether it is a drawing, a building drawing that you want to convert it into a digital product. So that's what digitizing is all about. And we use the lines that he has elaborated. So lines is very important in all of this. And then lastly, we're going to be looking at how to save and how to export. Now, you may just think it's beyond Control S, but there are quite a lot of things we can pick out from here. And then lastly, we're going to produce a map. That is for classwork and will be done with this work. So these are the interface of ArcGIS Basics. We have like 12 things to do there. Then for geodatabase, we have 5 topics to cover there. For ArcCatalog, we have 5. For georeferencing, we have 4. And for digitizing, we have 5 items to learn from there. And then I own a YouTube channel and I teach on Udemy. So if you want to comprehensively learn ArcGIS, you could take access from either my YouTube channel or you subscribe to my Udemy course or my courses. And then finally, do well to follow my social media. If you're on the group, I'm going to drop links to that group. So this is my WhatsApp page where I drop new videos that I make every day. So definitely, when you follow, you access some things that will help you. Thank you.